Steady, slow.
Oh, I'm gonna hit.
I warned him that this was gonna happen.
That's good. Welcome back to Unwinding Roads. My name is Teddy, and today we are replacing this absolute junk with these metal combat off-road flush mount taillights. This won't be a long drawn out video. Installation on these things is super easy. All you're gonna need is a 10mm wrench, 8mm socket, and a small flathead screwdriver. It helps get the plugs unplugged. You're also going to need your stock tail light. I'm actually replacing these pieces of garbage, so I had to find my stock tail light. And that's to remove these two pins. The Combat Off-Road Tail Gunner taillights are flush mount and made of stamped aluminum. In the box, you'll find the taillights, pre-assembled, stickers, a t-shirt, a QR code for installation instructions, as well as a QR code for Mission 22. Install is extremely easy. I started by removing the two pins from each stock taillight. And installed them in the new taillight. From there, it is literally plug and play. The two screws holding your stock tail light in are the two screws that you'll use for install. They plug straight into the stock plug. Make sure the resistor is away from the other wires using high heat 3M tape or zap straps. I just sort of tucked it away. So now they're installed, and there's just absolutely no denying that these are the strongest taillights you can possibly buy.
No, they're not.
These are made out of one-piece stamped aluminum.
Captain America's shield is made out of Wakandyan vibranium.
These lights are way stronger than Captain America's shield.
Really?
Well, Combat Off-Road sent me a spare just for this.
Well, you just started a war.
Well, that was dumb. Are you gonna be running over your taillights? No, you're not. I just did it to see if it would hold up. I'm an idiot. I do really like the fact that these are made out of aluminum and it does give you that added protection when you're out on the trails. If you're watching this video, you've probably knocked off your stock ones. I know I have multiple times. And you're probably looking for flush mount taillight. The ones that I had on here before, I'm on my 3rd set. I need a 4th set. The lights are starting to burn out. I've heard of other people having problems exactly the same as me. I have to pay duty on those lights. They do warranty them, but I have to pay duty plus shipping. And after 4 sets, I mean, I probably would have saved money by just getting these in the first place. These do come with a lifetime warranty. I don't have a link or anything for Combat Off-Road. It's just a product that I do love, and it seems like a great company. With everything they're doing with Mission 22 as well, definitely check them out if you're looking for some flush mount taillights for your Jeep. I'm not actually gonna do it. You know what would happen if I try to run over these. Tail lights, more like fail lights. This is now my 3rd set. I would have needed my 4th set, which I'm not gonna do. And if you've had any experience with the Oracle lights, drop them in the comments, good or bad. People need to know. And if you had any experience with the Combat Off-Road lights, good or bad, drop it in the comments. People need to know. Thank you very much for watching. I have to give a huge thank you to Combat Off-Road for sending me the Tail Gunner tail lights for the Gladiator. What a great company, and what they're doing with Mission 22, helping the veterans, suicide prevention, as well as their mental health. Those guys are putting their lives on the line for everybody, so who can't get behind something like that? If you found this video informative or entertaining, please do give it the thumbs up. Consider subscribing. I will be taking these Tail Gunner tail lights on the trail. Big trips planned. We're trying to hit 25,000 subscribers. We're on pace to do it by the end of this year. New merch available from hitting the 10,000. We got a whole new lineup coming out when we hit that 25,000. I know it's gonna happen. We're on pace to do it. Let's keep it up. Thank you very much for those that have already subscribed, those that thumbs up, and those that comment. You guys rock. Until next time, go away, get lost, and unwind.
Captain America? I have some bad news.
Let's go!